Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I am Mohammad Rakibuzzaman and I am 21 years old. I am studying at the University of Dhaka, Department of French Language and Culture. Currently, I live at Vijayakattur Hall. I was born and brought up in Joshore. My birthplace, Joshore, is widely known for its date plant, Jajuri, the famous Gotkali flower market, Benapur land port, and for being the first independent and digital district of Bangladesh. I love traveling and I have visited several famous places in Bangladesh such as Shat Gambuz Masjid, Sonargaon and Baharpur Buddha. My dream is to visit all the tourist attractions of Bangladesh, and after that I travel to different countries around the world. Reading especially topics related to language and culture in my free time. I try to develop myself by improving different skills. In future, I want to work in a field where I can use my language skill and build meaningful communication with people. Thank you.